Have you played this game?
It looked like a lot of marbles around me.
The motive of the game is to keep only one on the table. अगर आप smart हो तो इसमें लास्ट में एक बचना चाहिए.
It's a single person game.
Yes, it's a single person.
Interesting.
Right. Perfect. It's getting interesting.
One, two, three, 4, 5.
4. 3 on the board. That's my bet.
Max 2.
No double you can't do.
I can't do
You
double.
can't do double. So now we've come to a segment where we make fun of your misery.
I know that you're a perfectionist, right?
Yes,
And you're a human too. और इंसान गलतियाँ करते हैं, right? So let's talk about our mistakes and own our mistakes and laugh about it.
There was this instance where
Why not?
there was this instance where everything is done. The barat has entered. The groom entry music has been played, and the bride is about to enter.
Okay.
And we can't find the Jaimala. We bought some time and 2 लड़कों को बाइक पे भगाया to a neighboring wedding venue. मांग के लेके आए कि भाई तुम्हारी बारात अभी आई नहीं है, 1 घंटा है, 1 घंटे में
वापस कर देंगे.
वापस नहीं की. We got them a fresh one, but that bought us another hour to, kind of put it together.
एक ऐसे भी हुआ था जहाँ पर संगीत was happening and the LED wall खराब क्रैश हो गया.
Middle of the show.
मिडिल ऑफ द शो.
And then how did you manage?
कुछ नहीं, जादू कर दिया. जो इसमें बचा हो तो उसमें ग्राफिक्स कर दिया. फिर किसी ने आके पूछा ये LED काम नहीं कर रहा. सर ये तो डिज़ाइन है.
यही सोचा था.
यही सोचा था. आपको पता नहीं था. सरप्राइज था आपके लिए.
So there was this incident जहाँ बग्गी होता है दूल्हे का, तो दूल्हा चढ़ गया एंड एक ओवर एक्साइटेड भाई भी चढ़ के डांस करने लग गया. एंड उसी टाइम क्या हुआ कि जो चलाने वाला था बग्गी वाला, ही हैड गॉट डाउन एंड ये लोग सब चढ़ गए. एवरीथिंग वाज नाइस एंड ओके अंडर कंट्रोल व्हेन सडनली दिस गाय स्टार्टेड डांसिंग. एंड वो जैसे डांस करते लगा ना, वो घोड़ा चलने लग गया. द चैरियट वाज मूविंग विदाउट द पर्सन इन चार्ज. एंड वो जो दूल्हा था, मतलब दूल्हा का जो छोटा भाई था, वो रस्सी पकड़ा हुआ था घोड़ा का. Because he was having a jolly good time. He was like मैं चला रहा हूँ टांगा. After that we make sure कि यार एक आदमी खड़ा रहे कि कहीं जाना नहीं चाहिए दूल्हा बारात से पहले.
So I think one of the funniest actually till now for me has been this barat. The alcohol was open and there was a proper bar functioning with the barat. So the bartender was like normally at the bar and stuff, and suddenly I see this gentleman coming up to the bar wearing like those kurta pajama types, and he's like ये क्या, ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And the bartender said sir cocktail है. Oh अच्छा है. And he picked it up and he downed the whole thing, and I'm like, dude, that's the Pandit. You can't have him drunk, and this is alcohol. And then the bartender was like, oh shit, sir, sorry, sir. I said, you have to know. And then later on, thank God that the Pandit was fine, but he downed a whole cocktail right before sitting on the Feras. So, yeah, actually, I don't know what happened, but luckily we were safe with everything. Yes.
We were doing a setup on a terrace. And we had like about 8 to 10 long tables, and we had like a goal post, like an iron goal post structure on each table. So there was a table suspended from the goal post which had lamps coming down and had real candles on top. The weather was nice, we were very happy. 45 minutes before the party, before the scheduled time of arrival of the guests, it became windy. All the structures started moving. And Pragya, my wife, she was there. One of the struts fell on her. So she didn't get hurt by the iron structure, but what happened was that she was drenched with the hot candle. The liquid fell on her head. And we were scared. Luckily, with God's grace, nothing happened. She was absolutely fine. but very scared. So after that, for the next 2 hours, trust me, our entire team, along with 2-3 of the waiters, we were all standing at each table, holding the truss, just making sure that, it doesn't fall. See, there are a lot of things which you have no control over. There are a lot of technical malfunctions that take place. Maybe you set up an LED, you've done your sound check, you've done your technical check. But out of the 40 squares that you put in, maybe one goes off. Your entire structure goes for a toss, right? A lot of incidents do take place which are scary, but we as planners need to be very, very alert, need to be conscious, and you need to take care of things that things don't go south.
A 20-year-old company, I'm sure you have a lot of memorable stories to share. So let me know some, please.
When we started off, we used to do the biggest dandias in Calcutta. I'm talking that 3 months prior to Dandiya or 2 months prior to Dandiya, I used to sell my entire tickets in advance. So I hardly used to have like 100, 200, 300 for my counters. Suddenly, due to certain political stuff and politics and XYZ, overnight, one of my Dandiyas got cancelled. And that time, I'm taking a hit of a huge amount of money. And I'm like whitewashed. There was a time when we had like 10,000 rupees as a balance for the company. Slowly, the 10 became 8. 8 became 7, 6, 5. At the end, one day, I just had 10 rupees in my pocket. I still remember it. Suddenly, I received a call from a friend of mine from Bombay. And he tells me, hey, I got some event, but यार तेरे उतना बड़ा नहीं है. अब उसको मैं क्या बोलूँगी यार, अभी तो मेरे पास 10 रुपए है, तो मतलब मुझे तो ये 5,000 का इवेंट भी होगा तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत बड़ा है kind of thing. At least it will keep me going. And then he messaged me the venue. I realized he was talking about 25-30 lakh ka event. And after keeping the phone down, I started sweating. What happened, how it happened, I don't know.
And you were back.
And again, I was back. So that is one which is something like, okay, yes, suddenly we were doing top biggest dandiyas. We were like big time we're doing it. Overnight, you came down to the dust, carried for 3, 4, 5, 6 months or something as such. But then suddenly one call again and one work. And it again, you got back to the track. So, this is something I memorable. Yes, I won't forget it. Yes.
Come on. It's a cool night and the beat's so right. Up with the stars that shine so bright. I look into your eyes and it's no surprise. The way you look at me, I'm so hypnotized. Baby, hold me in your arms, just hold me tight. Warm and tender kisses, heaven all right. Sway with the beat, don't be a teaser. Say, kiss me now, I beg you please.
और नहीं मिलेगा.